The 10 Best Business Law Textbooks. From aspiring attorneys and savvy entrepreneurs to HR professionals, there is no shortage of people who could use a solid grounding in business law. Here you'll find textbooks that cover it all, including broad overviews and comprehensive introductions, as well as in-depth looks at specialized areas of practice. We selected volumes suitable for college students and the enterprising layperson. The list starts from The Curse of Bigness. The Curse of Bigness, about $9, is worth picking up if you're interested in learning about the necessity of antitrust legislation. Professor Tim Wu explores how figures like Theodore Roosevelt confronted extreme corporate concentration, and why we should apply similar lessons today. Examines the tech industry honestly. Conversational writing style, but rather short at just 154 pages. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Essentials of Business Law. Essentials of Business Law, around $120. Uses short, informative chapters to get at the heart of the fundamentals of the discipline. This practical volume is perfect for those just breaking into the subject, and can serve as a reliable reference for proprietors and students alike. Rife with assessment quizzes, designed to be easy to teach, but some concepts are oversimplified. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Employment law for business. Managing a workforce is no easy task, and often situations can arise that have no clear-cut solution. That's where employment law for business, about $420, becomes essential, as it elucidates how to appraise certain scenarios with an understanding of the ramifications involved. Section on the Civil Rights Act. International edition also available, but a tad verbose in places. Well, here is the 7th one. Contemporary Business Law, geared toward undergraduates. Contemporary Business Law, about $232. Issues wrote memorization. Instead, it was penned to capture readers' attentions, while spurring them to think critically and ask questions by relating modern ethical and social issues to the subject matter. Sufficient for a full semester. Strong focus on e-commerce, but not comprehensive coverage of topic. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Business Law, Text and Cases, now in its 14th edition. The authoritative Business Law, Text and Cases, around $176. Delivers an impressive 1,328 pages of information contributed by a trio of knowledgeable authors. It touches on everything from classic black-letter law to relevant coverage of contemporary issues. Useful for aspiring CPAs. 5 indispensable appendices, but a bit of a dry read. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, The Entrepreneur's Guide to Law and Strategy. You don't need to be a licensed attorney to understand The Entrepreneur's Guide to Law and Strategy. APPX, $77. An accessible title that covers broadly how to establish your own venture, from managing its startup phase and growth period to getting it ready for a public offering. Tips on hiring former coworkers. Highlights common pitfalls, but ideal for the layperson. Customers are king, and according to them one should buy this one. Business Law Today. Business Law Today, around $400. Breaks down the intricacies of things like contracts, government regulations and warranties using an easy-to-digest style. Readers will encounter complex recent topics as well, such as the 2008 financial crisis and the Sony Pictures hack of 2014. Explicitly meets AACSB requirements. Interesting historical snippets, but offers guidance on avoiding disputes. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. Legal Environment of Business. Specifically tailored for those who are majoring in fields like general management. Legal Environment of Business. APPX, $265. Attempts to bridge the gap between understanding intricate legal doctrines and their effects, and how to apply those insights to minimize risk and liability. wide variety of discussion queries. Chapters begin with clear objectives, but helpful summative flowcharts. According to reviews, the second best product is International Business Law. Few enterprises are solely US-centric today, which is why a volume like International Business Law, APPX, $63, is invaluable. By focusing on trade, the licensing of intellectual property, and foreign direct investment, it helps students examine three major branches of global commerce. Includes precedent-setting cases, how to approach emerging economies, but less expensive than many hardcovers. Now here is our best of best the King product. Introduction to Business Law. Introduction to Business Law, around $209. Takes great pains to ensure that students are both engaged and entertained while they get a firm grasp on the fundamentals. It boasts a thoughtful "You Be the Judge" feature that encourages readers to come to their own logical conclusions. In-depth coverage of ethics traps. Uses humor to increase retention, but plenty of exam strategy exercises.